is grade 1. Today our topic is addition. First of all, we need to know what addition means. सबसे पहले हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि addition का मतलब क्या है. Addition means to put things together. Addition का मतलब है चीज़ों को इकट्ठा करना. Addition means joining. Addition का मतलब है चीज़ों को जोड़ना. Addition means to put things together. Addition means joining. Hope you understand the definition of addition. Which symbol we use for addition? हम addition के लिए कौन सा symbol use करते हैं? We use plus sign for addition. हम addition के लिए plus sign use करते हैं. Numbers को add करने के लिए हम plus sign use करते हैं. Now let's add. Let's do some examples. Here is one bird and here are two more. यहाँ पर एक bird है और यहाँ पर two more birds हैं. Do you know how many birds altogether? Let's find. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 birds altogether. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 birds altogether. Let's do another example. Here is one apple and here is another. How many apples altogether? Count them. 1, 2. There are 2 apples altogether. How many apples altogether here? 2 apples. There are 2 apples altogether. Let's do another example of addition. Here are some apples again. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 apples and there are some more. Let's count. 1, 2. There are 3 apples and there are 2 more apples. How many apples altogether? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 apples altogether. Let's move on the another example of addition. There are some apples. Let's count how many apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 apples here and here is another apple. Let's count how many apples altogether. Do you know? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 apples altogether. How many apples are there altogether? There are 9 apples altogether. Oh wow! Here are some balls. Let's count. 1, 2. There are 2 balls. Oh, there are some more balls. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. There are 2 balls and here are 3 more balls. Let's count how many balls altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 balls altogether. How many balls altogether? 5 balls altogether here. Oh wow! Here are some apples again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples and 1 more apple. When we add 1 apple into 4 apples, how many apples? 5 apples. There are 5 apples. Here is 1 apple and here is 1 more. How many apples altogether? 1, 2. 2 apples altogether. Here are some more apples. 1, 2. 2 apples and here are some more. 1, 2. Let's count how many apples altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 apples altogether. Hope you understand how to add numbers, how to add digits. Hope you understand. Okay dear students, now I have put 2 examples. You have to solve it by yourself. यहाँ पे मैं आपको कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स दे रही हूँ जो कि आपने खुद सॉल्व करनी है. अब मैं आपको कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ. Here are some carrots. Let's count 1, 2 and here are 2 more. How many carrots altogether? Do you know? Yes, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. How many carrots altogether? There are 4 carrots altogether. Subtract numbers using number line. Dear students, do you know what is number line? Number line is a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals or segments along its length. नंबर लाइन में एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में एक जैसी स्पेस और लेंथ के साथ नंबर प्लेस्ड होते हैं जिनको हम एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए यूज करते हैं. फर्स्ट वी विल डू एडिशन विद नंबर लाइन. One important thing in addition with using number line कि नंबर लाइन के ज़रिए जब हम एडिशन करते हैं तो इसमें हम फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करते हैं. Here are some examples of number line addition. Let's come and solve. Here is the first question in which 3 plus 4. In this question we will add 4 into 3. नंबर लाइन में जब एडिशन करते हैं तो जो फर्स्ट नंबर होता है हमें नंबर लाइन में मौजूद उस नंबर तक जाना होता है. Like 3. And which number do you want to add in 3? Yes, 4. We will add 4 in 3. यानी आपने नंबर लाइन में मौजूद 3 नंबर से आगे 4 नंबर्स तक फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करनी है. Like this. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And what number comes? Yes, 7. When we add 4 into 3, the answer will be 7. Oh wow, here is another example of addition using number line. The question is 6 plus 3. In this question, we will add 6 into 3. इस क्वेश्चन में भी हमने नंबर लाइन में मौजूद 6 नंबर से आगे 3 नंबर्स तक फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करनी है. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Very good students. Okay, now tell me after counting what number comes? Yes, 9. Very good. It means 6 plus 3 equals to 9. Very good. I hope you understand how to add numbers using number line. So students, here I have put some examples of addition using number line. Hope you will do well. Students, now you have to attempt the page number 5 and 6 of addition sums as your homework.